In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix display capture having a black screen on OBS. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, there's a few different things that you can do for this. So the very first thing you want to do is right click, go to show more options and go to NVIDIA control panel. Then once that opens, it's going to look something like this. And all you want to do is scroll down in manage 3D settings and go to OpenGL rendering GPU and just make sure that it's on the NVIDIA graphics card that is your main one. So in my case, it's this 4090 right here. You can even just do it on the GDI compatibility, and you can do preferred performance as well, just so it works a bit harder as well. Next thing you want to do is go to change resolution. Just make sure your resolution is exactly how it should be so that there aren't any glitches or anything like that with your display. Another thing I'd recommend doing is going to display and going to adjust desktop size and position. Make sure you have the monitor selected that you want to do this with. Go to no scaling, GPU, make sure your refresh rate is however you want it to be, and make sure the resolution is how you want it to be as well. But you got to make sure the performance scaling is on GPU, and override the scaling mode set by games and programs is checked. Then once you're done with all of that stuff, what you have to do is go to OBS. So obviously mine is right here. So obviously to do display capture, you got to do plus, then choose display capture. Mine's right here. Then when you go to settings, you can do the capture method as automatic. I wouldn't recommend doing any of these two. I'd make it do automatic. It's the best way to do it. Then just make sure your monitor is set as the right one. Now if you think that your display capture is not working and it still has a black screen, just make sure, let's say you had a bunch of other things like a game capture or anything like that, but let's say your game capture was above your display capture. That might be why you're having a black screen, because the game capture is being prioritized just because it's above the display capture. So all you want to do is make sure that the display capture is right at the top. That way you'll always see it.